Hi everyone. On average, most relationships are tough to leave because both partners must have shared some things and had some great memories. But you want to know one relationship that's die-hard challenging to leave. It's the relationship with a narcissistic partner. A narcissist partner can go to any lengths to keep the other partner in the relationship, especially if the person strengthens their narcissistic bond. The abused, though suffering, can be scared, unsure, and disorientated. This is why leaving a narcissistic relationship while the vibe is still good is way better. Once you start noticing narcissistic tendencies in a partner and you feel that nudge that things are wrong, start making plans to check out before it becomes so hard. The following are 5 ways you can do this. Before moving further, don't forget to like and please share this video if you think this information is helpful to you. And do subscribe and activate the notification bell if you're new here. 1. Identify how the narcissistic individual has a hold over you and detach. You're most likely bound to the narcissist because of the feelings of inadequacy you have when you're without that person. Before you become too attached, critically analyze the areas where they seem to hold you, then start building yourself and cutting ties. Find out the things that cause your codependency with the narcissist. It may be your low self-esteem, the fact that you always believe what the narcissist says, or that you're a people pleaser. Once you have identified them, you need to make a substantial effort to break that hold. 2. Stop giving chances. If you're prone to giving the narcissist in your life a second chance, even when you notice so many red flags, you'll find it hard to leave quickly. Begin closing your heart to the narcissist. Be firm enough not to give in sometimes when they start their repeated pleading to get what they want or to get you back when they have done wrong. Don't let him call you with the smooth words of, "I'll be better next time." Instead, start saying, "No more" often. 3. Keep your plans secret. Once you start noticing distrust, flippancy, and deceit in the narcissistic partner, give the person space, but don't make it too obvious. Keep your plans close to your heart. Don't relate your next plan of action. You may have to act as if you're still involved in the relationship. If you have important things lined up, find ways to do it without bringing them in, because if the narcissist finds out you have something cooking, they'll find ways to prevent you from leaving. 4. Confide or talk to someone you trust. You may find it hard to take the appropriate steps to check out because you're brainwashed and manipulated by the narcissist, so finding a trusted person to talk to will help you with the needed clarity, boldness, and strength to leave. Make sure the person will not expose your plans. If you're abused or sense a form of abuse, tell the person. It can serve as a record of the events in the relationship. 5. Keep spare cash handy. It's beneficial, especially if you both have a joint bank account with a narcissistic partner or knows all about your inflow and cash flow. Since you're planning to leave quietly, start keeping extra cash without their knowledge. Do this maybe with a friend or open another bank account so you can save something before you check out, because you may have hitches when the narcissist knows that you're leaving for good. Especially if your partner is a financial abuser, they'll do everything to get you through your cash. It would help if you also started making moves to put financial restrictions on your account. Change vital things like your PIN, password, and every other private information that the narcissist is aware of. Well, what do you think of this video? I hope this piece of information is helpful to you. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to follow our subsequent video updates. Thanks for watching.